the best exchange to purchase cryptocurrency on a recurring basis. So if you're like me and want to automate your finances, you're not paying attention to the stock market or the crypto markets every single day. And a lot of times people who actively trade cryptocurrency stocks end up making less than if they purchased on a recurring basis. So I want to figure out where I can purchase cryptocurrency on a recurring basis. If you saw my video from last week, I went through 9 different places to purchase cryptocurrency, 7 different exchanges, and 2 of those exchanges have kind of pro options, and figured out what were the fees charged, which was the cheapest place to purchase in that analysis, $50 of Ethereum. There was a really wide range in terms of the fees charged when purchasing cryptocurrency. The largest was 4.43%, and the lowest was 0.34%. So when you're purchasing cryptocurrency on a one-off basis or on a recurring basis, the fees are really important. But as you're going to see when we go through and check out the different options for purchasing on a recurring basis, there are a couple of other factors we want to take into consideration. If you want to create an account at any of the exchanges we talk about in today's video, most of them have some type of referral offer where both of us could earn some free Bitcoin, free stocks, or just free money. If you want to learn more, check out the description below. One thing before I move on, I'm not a financial advisor and nothing in this video is financial advice. Before purchasing any cryptocurrency, you want to make sure to do your own research. So starting first with the exchange that came in last place in last week's video with Gemini, with the fee for purchasing $50 of Ethereum at 4.43%. Let's check out the options for purchasing crypto on a recurring basis. So here is their market page. So let's just use Bitcoin for all the different exchanges. And what you can see here, so you have buy, and it's set up kind of automatically as just a one-time purchase. But if you click on this, you can change to daily, weekly, twice monthly, or monthly. So if we were to go to weekly, it lets you choose the day of the week you want to make the investment. And from here, they give you options of $50, $100, $500, and $1,000. One thing that I think is important for me and probably for a lot of you is how low of a price does it allow you to purchase. So if the price were low enough, I might even set up daily purchases as opposed to higher amounts. Maybe I can only afford to make that investment once a month. So let's see if it'll let me do, say, $10. Continue. Okay, which way do I want to pay? Okay, so what you see here, $10 weekly on Mondays around 7 p.m. And so you see the order amount is I'm only getting $9.01 of cryptocurrency, and there is a 99-cent transaction fee. So that's 10% of the value being lost right there. So as we saw before, there's very high fees purchasing with Gemini. And if you want to purchase very small amounts, the fees are going to be even larger than my previous analysis. So I think it'll even let me change this to say $5. But the issue here that we're going to come across is that the 99-cent fee does not change. So in this case, we're losing 20% of the value immediately. Moving on to exchange number 8, Coinbase, which had a fee in my last video of 4.35%. Okay, so again, let's look at Bitcoin and a not one-time purchase. Let's go to weekly purchase. And let's see what it lets us do. So $5, it looks like we can do. And what you're going to see here is, I think at this price level, the fee is essentially the same as it would be with Gemini. So here, 99 cents, you're losing 20% of the value. I think the same thing if we go to $10, 99-cent fee, 10% loss. I don't really recommend either of these options in my last video or today's video. Exchange number 7, SoFi Invest. So SoFi Invest doesn't charge fees when purchasing cryptocurrency, but in my analysis, I found the spread to be 1.26%. Let's check out purchasing on a recurring basis. So we'll click on BTC, add a recurring purchase. So we have weekly every 2 weeks and monthly. Let's go with weekly on Monday. And so we have 10, 25, 50, 100, 250 as options. We can also click on custom and then add the amount. So let's see if it'll let us do 5. Nope. So you see here, the minimum purchase on a recurring basis with SoFi Invest is $10. Exchange number 6 was Webull. I spent some time on the Webull app and wasn't able to find a way to set up recurring purchases for crypto. So we'll move on to exchange number 5, Binance.us. So the spread plus the fee charge for Binance added up to 0.82%. Let's check out the recurring purchase option. So if we go to Bitcoin, click on buy, and then switch from one-time purchase to weekly purchase. And we need to change to my bank account. add an amount. So again, let's try $5. Nope. So here you're going to see the minimum for a recurring purchase for Binance is $20 per cryptocurrency. Exchange number 4, Crypto.com. So Crypto.com doesn't explicitly charge a fee for purchasing cryptocurrencies, but the spread that I found in my analysis was 0.76%. Let's check out the options for recurring purchases. So here, to find the recurring purchases, you need to click on the icon bottom middle. And what you're going to see here is recurring buy. Okay, so you see here we have weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly. So if you want to purchase daily, it's not an option here. The availability isn't for all of the cryptocurrencies on the platform, only the ones listed right here. And there's a maximum, so it's only allowing you to set up recurring purchases for 5 different cryptocurrencies. And here you see the minimum purchase amount of $50. So this is the highest of any of the options we saw so far. And you can only purchase 5 cryptocurrencies on a recurring basis. If you want to have a larger portfolio, you're not able to do it within the Crypto.com app. Exchange number 3, Voyager. So Voyager is similar to Crypto.com where they don't explicitly charge a fee, but the spread I found in my analysis was 0.65%. Let's check out what it looks like when purchasing on a recurring basis. So Bitcoin, buy BTC, set up recurring buy amount. So say $5, select frequency, weekly on Monday, slide to schedule. Okay, so here's a summary, confirm. No, it looks like order value must be at least $10. In my previous analysis, exchange number 2 and exchange number 1 were Coinbase Pro and Gemini ActiveTrader. These platforms are great in terms of having low fees and tons of options for trading cryptocurrencies, but setting up recurring purchases weren't one of those options. To set up recurring purchases on either of these platforms, you need to learn how to code. I came across a couple of YouTube videos that walk you through step by step how to get everything set up. I don't exactly know how to do it and haven't walked through it myself yet, but if you want to learn about that, I'll put links to those videos down below in the description. So I'm going to kind of exclude those for today's analysis, given they aren't the easiest, most user-friendly ways to set up recurring purchases and set it and forget it. Speaking of setting it and forgetting, I have a free 7-day mini course that'll walk you through how to automate your finances so you can set them and forget them. Knowing that your finances are all in order, you're going to reach your savings and investing goals, and you can focus on the more important, funner things in life. If you're interested in signing up for the free course, check out the link in the description below. After going through all these, there are only 4 that I would consider making cryptocurrency purchases on a recurring basis. Coming in at number 4, we have SoFi Invest. So SoFi Invest lets you make purchases on a recurring basis for as little as $10. But the spread that I found in my analysis was over 1%, coming in at 1.26%. Coming in at number 3, Crypto.com. So Crypto.com has a huge selection of cryptocurrencies. Their earn program is phenomenal. But in terms of purchasing on a recurring basis, there's a couple things that I don't really like. So the fact that you can't set it up for all the cryptocurrencies available on the platform, it's a much smaller list. You can only set up recurring purchases for 5 cryptocurrencies at a time. And the minimum per purchase is $50, which is quite a bit higher than all the other options we talked about today. The second best place to purchase crypto on a recurring basis for me would be Binance.us. So with Binance, you can make recurring purchases for $20 or more, purchase daily, weekly, on the 1st and the 15th, or monthly, and they have fairly low fees. The best place to purchase crypto on a recurring basis is Voyager. So with Voyager, you can set up recurring purchases of as little as $10. They have a long list of cryptocurrencies that you can purchase. The fees or the spread that Voyager charges was one of the lowest options in my previous analysis. So for me, setting up recurring purchases, go with Voyager. So we saw the lowest cost options for purchasing crypto and which ones allow us to purchase on a recurring basis. The next important thing for me is how to earn rewards on your crypto. If you want to see the best places to earn rewards, check out the video right here. Hope to see you in another video. Bye.